This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling night shift to reduce blue light. This lowers eye strain in low light. Open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, then tap Night Shift. Once there, set a schedule like sunset to sunrise or choose a custom time window so it activates automatically. Make sure to move the color temperature slider toward warm. This explains why the screen shifts yellowish and reduces short wavelength light that can disrupt sleep and cause fatigue. Next, combine True Tone with brightness controls to keep visuals comfortable. Turn on True Tone so the screen matches ambient light. This prevents sudden harsh contrasts. Then enable Auto Brightness in Accessibility so the phone adapts to changing scenes without you fiddling. If the screen still feels intense, open Accessibility Display and Text Size and enable Reduce White Point, setting a percentage that visibly softens whites. These steps explain. Finish by switching to dark mode for system apps and many third-party apps. That lowers overall luminance and helps at night. Once done, schedule focus or wind down so bright notifications and apps don't pull you into high-contrast screens. If colors look wrong or settings revert, make sure iOS is updated, then restart the iPhone. That often clears config glitches. If problems persist, reset display settings or contact Apple support for a deeper look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.